The wait is over. The Google Pixel 9 is here, and it's packed with incredible features. From its cutting-edge display to the powerful Google Tensor G4 chip, this phone is ready to take the world by storm. Let's dive in and explore everything it has to offer. Design and build. Let's start with the design. The Pixel 9 measures 152.8 by 72 by 8.5 mm and weighs 198 grams, giving it a premium yet lightweight feel. It's built with a Gorilla Glass Victus 2 front and back, framed in sturdy aluminum. Oh, and did we mention it's IP68 dust and water resistant? This phone can handle a splash or two, or even a 30-minute dip up to 1.5 meters. Display. The display is nothing short of stunning. With a 6.3-inch OLED screen, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+ support, it's a visual treat. The peak brightness reaches an impressive 2700 nits, making it perfect for outdoor use. Plus, it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, so you'll have peace of mind against scratches. Performance. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 is powered by the Google Tensor G4 chipset built on a 4nm process. The octa-core CPU and Mali G715MC7 GPU ensure smooth performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing videos. And with up to 7 major Android upgrades, this phone's software is future-proof. Colors. The Pixel 9 is available in 4 stunning colors: obsidian, porcelain, wintergreen, and peony. You can choose a color that suits your style. Camera. The camera setup on the Pixel 9 is a photographer's dream. It features a dual rear camera, a 50MP wide lens with WAH and a 48MP ultra-wide lens. With advanced features like Pixel Shift, Ultra HDR, and 4K video recording, you'll capture every moment in stunning detail. And for selfies, the 10.5MP front camera with PTAF ensures you always look your best. Battery and charging. Battery life? No problem. The Pixel 9 packs a 4700 mAh battery that supports 27 watts wired charging and 15 watts wireless charging with the Pixel stand. It even supports reverse wireless charging. Plus, with bypass charging, you can limit it to 80% for better battery longevity. So, what do you think of the Google Pixel 9? Is it your next smartphone? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you next time.